What if three simple foods could transform every single system in your body? Tiger nuts, dates, and fresh fruits. These are not superfoods created in a laboratory. They're ancient, natural foods that human beings have eaten for thousands of years. But here's what most people do not know. The moment you take your first bite, your body goes to work immediately. Inside your mouth, your teeth begin breaking down the food into smaller pieces. But your teeth are only part of the story. Your salivary glands release an enzyme called amylase. This enzyme begins breaking down the complex carbohydrates in tiger nuts and dates before the food even reaches your stomach. The food travels down your esophagus through a series of muscular contractions called peristalsis. These wave-like movements push the food steadily downward toward
Inside
your stomach. Powerful gastric acid goes to work. This acid, primarily hydrochloric acid, breaks down proteins and continues the digestion process. The stomach churns and contracts, mixing your food with digestive enzymes until it becomes a semi-liquid paste called chyme. The natural sugars in dates begin to break down here. Unlike refined sugar, the fiber in dates slows the release of these sugars into your bloodstream. This means your blood glucose rises gradually and steadily, not in a sudden spike. This single difference is one of the most important benefits of eating dates over processed sweets. Your body gets the energy it needs without the crash that follows a sugar spike. Now here is where things get truly fascinating. As the digested food moves from your stomach into your small intestine, something remarkable begins to happen with the fiber from tiger nuts. Tiger nuts contain one of the highest concentrations of prebiotic fiber found in any natural food. And prebiotic fiber has one very specific job inside your body. It feeds your good gut bacteria. Deep inside your large intestine, trillions of bacteria live together in a complex community called the gut microbiome. These bacteria are not harmful. They're essential to your health, your immunity, and even your mood. When the prebiotic fiber from tiger nuts reaches these bacteria, they begin to thrive. Beneficial species like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium multiply rapidly. Bloodstream from fresh fruits, particularly vitamin C and powerful plant compounds called polyphenol, are doing something equally important. They are neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your artery walls, accelerate aging, and increase your risk of chronic disease. The antioxidants from fruits intercept these free radicals in your bloodstream and neutralize them before they can cause damage. Your artery walls are protected. Your blood flows freely. And your entire cardiovascular system runs with greater efficiency. And there is one more cardiovascular benefit that cannot be overlooked. Dates are rich in iron. Iron is the mineral your body uses to produce red blood cells, the cells that carry oxygen from your lungs to every tissue in your body. When your iron levels are healthy, your red blood cells are more numerous, more vibrant, and more effective at delivering oxygen where it is needed. The result? Better circulation, more energy, and a cardiovascular system performing at its best. Now let us travel to the most complex organ in the human body, your brain. Your brain consumes more energy than any other organ. It accounts for only 2% of your body weight, but it uses approximately 20% of all the energy you produce. The natural glucose from fruits provides your brain with its preferred fuel source. Unlike the rapid blood sugar spikes caused by refined carbohydrates, the fiber-slowed glucose release from whole fruits delivers a steady, sustained supply of energy to your neurons. Your brain stays sharp. Your focus remains clear. And that dreaded mid-afternoon mental fog begins to disappear. But the benefits go much deeper than energy alone. Tiger nuts contain an amino acid called tryptophan. Tryptophan is the raw material your brain uses to produce serotonin, the neurotransmitter most closely associated with feelings of happiness, calm, and emotional stability. When tryptophan levels are adequate, your brain produces more serotonin. Let us now look at what is happening in your immune and hormonal systems. Vitamin C from fresh fruits is one of the most well-studied immune-boosting nutrients in existence. It stimulates the production and function of white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system, and enhances their ability to seek out and destroy pathogens. Zinc from tiger nuts activates T cells, specialized immune cells that identify and eliminate infected or abnormal cells in your body. Zinc also supports the production of antibodies, the proteins your immune system uses to tag and neutralize foreign invaders. Together, vitamin C and zinc create a formidable immune defense, one that responds faster, fights harder, and recovers more efficiently. Now let us talk about your hormones. The fiber in tiger nuts and dates plays a crucial role in stabilizing your blood sugar. When blood sugar is stable, your pancreas does not need to produce excess insulin. Over time, your cells become more sensitive to insulin, meaning they respond to lower amounts of it. This improved insulin sensitivity is one of the most important factors in preventing type 2 diabetes. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that coats and protects the outer membrane of your neurons. It acts as a shield against oxidative damage. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, the structural protein that gives your skin its firmness, elasticity, and youthful appearance. Without adequate vitamin C, collagen production slows, and the skin begins to lose its structure. When you eat vitamin C-rich fruits daily, your fibroblast cells, the cells responsible for collagen production, are continuously stimulated. New collagen fibers are formed. Old, damaged collagen is replaced. Your skin becomes firmer, smoother, and more resilient. The electrolytes from dates and fruits, particularly potassium, maintain the water balance inside your skin cells. Hydrated cells are plumper, more reflective, and healthier in appearance. This is what gives skin a natural, dewy glow, not from the outside, but from deep within the cellular level. Iron from dates and zinc from tiger nuts nourish your hair follicles through the blood vessels at the base of each. So, what does all of this look like over time? In the first week, you will likely notice changes in your digestion. Bloating reduces. Bowel movements become more regular. Your gut microbiome begins shifting toward a healthier balance. By week 2, your energy levels begin to stabilize. The afternoon crashes become less frequent. Your focus at work or at school sharpens. And you may notice your mood lifting, more calm, more steady, more resilient. By the end of the first month, the deeper changes become more visible. Your skin may appear clearer and more luminous. Your blood pressure may trend lower. Your workouts may feel stronger and your recovery faster. And your sleep, if you have been struggling, may be noticeably deeper and more refreshing. This is not a magic pill. This is not a shortcut. This is your body doing exactly what it was designed to do when you give it exactly what it needs. Tiger nuts, dates, and fresh fruits. 3 foods. 1 powerful daily habit. And a body that runs better, feels better, and ages more gracefully because of it. If this video opened your eyes to what food can truly do inside your body, do us a favor, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want to continue learning about human anatomy, nutrition,